Hi, this is Kevin from Create a Castle. Today we're going to show you how to install your buckle and wire onto your 6-inch scaled wall. And you have an open side and a closed side. Always look for the open side when you're doing your buckle install. So you put the two halves together. You're going to rest your wire into these teeth here. You rotate your buckle up like that. Slowly push it against the wall. And you click it in. And you're going to repeat that process on the other side. Rest your wire into the teeth, rotate, back down towards the wall, and just adjust it to where it lines up with the camber here, and click. And that is how you install your buckle and wire on a 6-inch cylinder.